it's Jessica here, so welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to unbox and review some new Korean skincare and makeup products that I got from Yesstyle. So basically I have 5 products to try and review today. I have 3 skincare products as well as 2 makeup products. And the first skincare product that I want to try out is this cleansing foam from Makeup Creme, and this is a low irritant and mild acid foam. So reading from Yesstyle website, it says that it is a slightly acidic cleansing foam which gently works on sensitive and irritated skin to cleanse and remove makeup and dead skin cells without stripping the skin. So if you have sensitive skin, this product is definitely suitable for you as well. So right now I'm going to cleanse my face with this cleansing foam and let you guys know how I feel about it. Alright, so the texture looks something like this. So it's like a creamy, velvety texture. And I'm just gonna distribute it on my skin. I do smell a bit of lavender-ish and a bit of coconut. So I'm back after cleansing my face and I really love this cleansing foam. It doesn't foam up a lot, but it does feel very smooth on my skin. It is very easy to wash off. So after cleansing my face, I don't get the tight feeling. My skin definitely feels really smooth and soft. And I also noticed that my skin looks a bit brighter after the cleansing. I'm not sure, but that's what I noticed. I feel like this is a mild cleanser that feels really soothing and comfortable on the skin. It doesn't strip away the moisture from your skin. So will I recommend this product? Definitely yes. Alright, so I'm very excited to try out the second skincare product because it is a mask plus a lifting band. When I received this in the package, I'm just like, whoa, I really need to try this out because I've never tried anything like this before. So this is the MACQUEEN Lifting Program Band, and it also comes with a facial sheet mask. So what you have to do is you have to apply this facial sheet mask, and on top of that you can also wear this lifting program around your face, and this helps to lift your face and also tighten your skin. So as you can see, there's a total of 10 little nodules on the band. It creates the sensation of 10 fingers massaging the points, toning the skin from inside out. So there are 3 major benefits of this lifting program, and the first one is to loosen up your stiff muscles. The second one is to lift and relieve and lengthen your skin. And the third benefit is to moisturize and nourish your skin through this lifting mask. So you gotta apply the mask. Putting on the lifting band. Oh, wow. I feel a tension around my face. I feel like something is pulling my head up. It just feels really tight on the skin. I guess this is how the tightening and lifting effect takes place. So it covers the entire jawline as well as your chin area and also the double chin. So it prevents you from looking down. You have to keep your head tilted up like this most of the time. If not, you will feel pressure here. I feel like I'm doing some plastic surgery, oh my god. So I'm gonna lift this whole thing on for about 10 minutes. Just keep massaging it. Oh, damn. Oh, I feel a moment of relief. So I feel like if you apply this mask, you can't just leave it like this with the band on your face. You have to apply pressure onto all these little points here to actually massage your face, and it helps to promote the circulation even better. But anyway, I think that this lifting band makes it really easy for you to do like your face massage at home so that you don't have to visit the salon to do it. And I believe that if you do it consistently and continuously, you will definitely notice some results on your face. So after we have done with the cleansing and the mask, we are going to hydrate our skin. So here I have the Vita Duo Cream. It's the Joan Day and Joan Night moisturizing cream. and it provides a dual cream system containing natural ingredients and vitamin C and E, which provides intensive soothing and hydrating benefits for morning and night. So the day cream is formulated to help calm down skin condition while hydrating, and the night cream is formulated with lavender and vitamin E to help protect and improve the skin's strength. So if you haven't heard of this product, it's actually created by the YouTuber Joankim. So the day cream is this one in green and the night cream is this one in purple. And oh my god, it smells so good and so calming. The green one, which is day cream over here, is actually enriched with green tea and also vitamin C that provides moisture and also brightens your complexion. Actually, it has a pretty thick consistency compared to other day cream. And then when you massage it just becomes like this milky texture. And I'm gonna apply some on the neck as well. So the texture looks a bit thick, but when you apply it on the skin and massage it, it just feels really comfortable and it gets absorbed into the skin very quickly. And oh my god, my skin is now glowing so much after all the cleansing and like the mask and now the day cream. And since this purple one is a night cream, I'm just gonna scoop out a bit and just try it on my hand and feel the texture. So the purple one definitely has a lighter texture compared to the green one because it's supposed to be a night sleeping pack. So it feels like a sorbet on your skin. Oh, this one is definitely more cooling than a green one. And it's lighter as well. And oh my god, it smells so good. It smells so calming. I think that this product is really convenient for you guys to bring overseas as well. You don't have to bring a separate day cream and a separate night cream. You just have to bring one jar to your traveling bag and you're good to go. So my camera battery died, and while waiting for the battery to be charged, I went ahead to do some light makeup on my face. So let's continue with our review. So I have two makeup products to try and review. So first I have the KLAVUU All Day Proof Skinny Gel Pencil. So this is a 1.5mm ultra slim gel pencil that creates a sophisticated look with just a few strokes. And it is resistant to sweat and water. Since the pencil is really thin, so it is very easy to draw the strokes based on your liking. If you want to draw thick strokes, it's possible as well. And I like the color of this gel liner. It's really intense black. Okay guys, it's totally smudge proof. As you can see, I'm really rubbing it hard. It just stays on. And if I'm not mistaken, it is pretty affordable as well. So if you're looking for a slim pencil that is smudge proof and waterproof and also sweat proof, maybe you should give this a try. So moving on to the last makeup item, which is the AGATHA lipstick. And this one is super cute. It is really mini in size. So it has 12 shades in total, and the shade that I've got is 447, and it's a baby pink color like this. Okay, I feel like this shade is a bit too light for my liking. But well, there are a total of 12 shades for you to choose from, so yeah. So I have finally done unboxing all the items and reviewing for you guys. And as usual, I will link all the products in the description box below. And don't forget to use my code to get your exclusive offer on Yesstyle.com. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!